Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this session, we are going to see about comments activity in UiPath Studio. So just like in programming language, so if you want to write some text to make the user feel comfortable to read the code or to easily understand about particular methods or particular functions. So here also in UiPath Studio, we have the activities called comments. So with the help of comments, we can specify what kind of activity the current sequence is going to perform. So if you observe the sequence, so as a creator, so we can easily understand based on the sequence name, so we can know. So suppose if any other user, for suppose your manager or your business analyst, if they come and check your flow, so it's very difficult for them to understand. So in this case, if we use the comments, it will be helpful for them to easily understand what kind of operation this sequence is going to perform, or what kind of activity this multiple assay activity is going to perform. So for keeping that in mind, so we have the activities called comments. We just go to the activities and search for comments. So here in the debug session, we have the activities called comment and comment out. So first see about this comment. So I'm going to drag into my designer panel. So here in the double slashes, we need to mention the comment whatever we want to mention in our workflow. So here in the text field of the properties, so here we need to mention a statement. So this flow performs merge operation with the help of multiple cells. So just click on OK. So now as we have this statement, so it is very helpful for the business analyst or any other person who has knowledge on the who has no knowledge on UiPath Studio. He can easily understand while during your absence, or if you want to use it as a reference for your junior colleagues, it will be helpful. So now they can understand after seeing the comments, they will understand. So the below activity is going to perform the merge operations with the help of this multiplexing and then work method activities. So, and if you run this program, it will not affect the comment field and it will not get displayed in our workflow panel. It will not change the performance of your flow or anything. And in the same way, we have comment out field as well. So just drag and drop into it. Suppose if you want to comment the certain activities, or if you want to ignore the certain activities, for example, so I don't want to perform this merge operation with the help of this multiple assign. So I don't need this. So I just need to drag and drop into this ignore activities, and let me drag and drop into this. So now while performing the debug, so this activities whatever present inside this comment out will get ignored. So I'm going to keep the both the multiple assign and invoke method. So these two methods will not be executed now. And in my output data table, as I have the read data dt1 as my input, it will show only the data related to the dt1, and it will not display the result related to data table. Okay, and it will not show the comment which we have mentioned in this comment activity. So let's check this now and we'll run this. The execution is started. Yeah. So we got the output now. So let's check the output panel. So nowhere we have seen this comment like this, the comment performed, the action performed by this program. So and we are not seeing the activities performed by the multiple assign and invoke as those are inside this comment or activity. So like this, we can provide the comments to help the user to easily understand our flow, and we can use the ignore and comment out activity to ignore certain activities in our flow. So while developing a huge workflows, it can be really helpful. So I hope you like this video. So please do subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on UiPath Studio. Thank you.